Hello, people. I was just like kind of rehearsing because I haven't done this in so long, bro. But yes, we back at it again or whatever. But yes, I'm gonna be going to the beach with Michael. So I'm here. Got my mask, you know, so we're gonna be safe. Okay, social distancing because that's how it be like nowadays. But yeah, let me just tell him that I'm here and then we'll go. Alright, okay, bye. I'm with Michael now. We got our snacks.
Yes.
Here's Michael.
Hello. We're quarantining at the beach.
Yeah.
At a hidden beach called Crystal Cove.
Crystal Cove. It's a pretty beach, so we're gonna go there right now. Doing a little hike.
Hello.
To get to
I don't know why I smiled. You can't even see my smile.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's like echoing.
Hello. Hello. This is so cute. Wow.
Wow. Yes. We're walking through, making our way downtown.
Wow, inside.
This one.
So cute. Okay, this kid was an artist.
Oh. Check what she sees. Is this like a school project or something?
Well, we are.
The jungle of Newport
Safari.
Beach.
Yeah.
Newport Beach
Oh,
jungle.
nothing. Oh my god, look at this. Okay. I guess we just keep going down.
Yeah. Login.
Where are we? It's like we're like in a little.
I know, right? I feel like a tourist. There we are. Oh my gosh.
Wow,
There's just like a lot of people.
Hidden beach, my ass. Oh
Hidden
my god.
Okay, yeah, I haven't been to this part. I think we have to go more down there, I guess.
Okay.
Oh wow, there's.
Where do you want to go?
We're gonna expose people. Look at everyone with no mask.
Okay.
And this is like California.
And this is my friend.
And this is
We out here.
we are here.
I'm gonna save this first so I don't lose it. Okay, ready?
It's a really nice day. Rain coming in. Nicely. Sun is shining. The waves crashing. Green cows. Where?
We're so cute. We're a vibe. We're a vibe. It is, what day is it today?
Today
It's
is
Saturday.
Saturday.
And we are at the beach in
Can't see.
September.
Yes.
So,
In the middle of
pretty
September.
lit.
I'm kind of oily, but the sun is setting. Whoa. I'm on video.
Oh, oh, hi. What's
Ooh,
up?
Golden hour. This is Seagull right here.
Seagull, hi.
What's it? You see yourself? You see yourself? Hoi. Oh, look at
This is Nuggy.
Hi, Nugget. Look at. Say hi. Nugget is so.
Look at Nugget.
Me and Nugget. Nella and Nugget.
Nella and Nugget.
Can you film it?
Oh.
Wait. Look at Nugget. She's just like
Nugget.
hi. Say hi. Look at.
Prom.
Wait. Bro. Wait. Get on me. Get on me. Hold on. We're not done here. Come here. Come here, you. Come here, you. Come here. Can you get up? Can you don't watch anymore? You're not feeling it no more? You are so cute. Look at you.
She's
Aw.
a baby.
Aw.
She's like 6 months old.
Oh, 6 months. You're a baby.
Yeah.
Hi, Nugget.
She has like eyeliner.
Oh,
You
yeah.
see that?
Yeah, what kind of dog is she?
She's a Saint Bernard.
Saint Bernard. Oh, you are so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh. Nuggets. Ooh, the lighting. Me and Nugget. Nuggets.
Queen Nuggy.
You weren't even my dog, but can you be my dog? Oh, you're looking at me. Okay.
Oh, she's the
Aw,
friendliest
okay.
doggy ever.
Very friendly. Oops. I should put it there. Right there. Ah! Oh. Oh my.
I'll hold
Oh
that.
yeah. There. Look at it. Look at it. Say hi.
Aww.
You are so cute.
I love giving her hugs.
I know. She's so cute. So cute. Say hi. Can you say hi to the camera? Hello.
Okay. Sit. Paw. No. Sit. Nugget. Sit.
Sit, Nugget. Sit.
Sit. Nugget. Sit.
Ikaw ha? Hindi ka nakikinig,
She's
ha?
a bad girl today. You're a bad girl. Okay. Oh, let's unbox this.
Oh yeah.
I have not unboxed this yet. Okay, Nugget, sit.
Sit.
Sit. Nugget. Nugget. We're gonna do this. Sit. Sit. Oh my gosh, she's sassy.
Oh, do we have the same slides on right now? Oh, we do.
Oh, we're twins.
Slide twins. Yes, let's put it together like this. You know how people put their His
Ooh,
and
that's
hers.
a vibe. His
His
and
and
hers. Ew, mine's clearly like not even. It's like so big.
featuring
Sing right now.
Nuggets.
Sit. Can you sit for once? Come on.
You know you want to sit. Ah,
But-
there she goes. She's sitting.
Paw. 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 Paw.
Yeah.
Paw. Paw. Paw.
Aww.
Good girl. Paw. Other paw.
Aww. Oh, look at you. So good. So good. So good. Oh.
She's so clumsy.
Okay.
Coldest water.
So Michael's unboxing
The coldest water.
the coldest water. A sponsor.
Okay.
That we got.
All right, let's see. What do you think? What color do you think I got?
Wait. Is that the color of the box?
Oh, does
I
it
think-
usually?
I don't know actually. But
I just-
okay, I'll
okay.
just say blue since it's already blue in there.
I'm gonna say white.
Yeah, I'll say blue or white.
Oh, it's blue.
Oh. Wow. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, yours is a big one.
Wow.
Nice. I think maybe it's like random.
It's probably random.
Yeah, but he
I
got
don't
this one in
mind.
blue.
It's cool.
Yeah.
It's a vibe.
How about you?
Alright.
Toss it.
That's all.
That's all.
Time to make 10 TikToks.
10 TikToks.
That's
It's pretty easy, I mean, because since we're posting every day. Shoot,
That's
just like at least
true.
one of them. You! You!
Here is a little girl.
Are you happy? You're probably like so happy.
She's a heavy
so heavy.
one.
Oh my gosh, heavy.
She's a heavy girl.
I cannot lift you just so much. There you sit. You sit right here.
She's gonna grow even bigger.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah.
What is she again? Bro.
Saint
Oh,
Bernard.
bro. That is not it. Daddy, Daddy.
That ain't it, sis.
Yes. I
She's
want you.
so cute.
The hair, yes.
We love it. Jimmy Neutron vibes.
And here's
But
Nugget.
Nuggets down
tired.
there. She's
Are you tired?
vibing.
Oh, look at you. Look at you.
vibing.
Like we were like having a moment, and then it didn't take it. Oh, Nugget. Oh, didn't take it. So annoying.
So we create new moments.
Yeah. We're so cute looking. It's the cuteness for me.
It's the cuteness. For me. Wow, she's like chilling in here.
I know.
Good
Cute,
girl.
cute, cute.